Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you real quick how you can add Midjourney to your Discord really easy and really quickly. So this is my community feed, and as you can see I can go home. So considering you are already logged into Midjourney, if you are not, just check out my other tutorials on my channel. I show you how to do that in there. And if you are logged in, then you have to join the Discord to start creating. So go to your homepage and click on this. Now Midjourney will send you an invite to this server. As you can see, there is a 1 million users already online and 15 million members. So we have to accept invite. So click on that and it will work on accepting the invite, and you have to verify that you are human. So please click each image containing croissant. So I will click on everyone, verify, and as you can see, it will accept your invite. If everything is okay, it will open Discord. And now, as you can see, you are in the Midjourney Discord server. So it's easy as that. This is how you add Midjourney to your Discord account. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.